Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Orlistat 60 mg or 120 mg. So first of all, we must have to know that Orlistat is an anti-obesity agent, means it will just decrease the weight when we are going to take it. It should be taken along with low calorie diet. Orlistat generally work in stomach and small intestine. It simply blocks the absorption of fat from food by blocking the enzyme which is named as lipase that are responsible for the breakdown of fat. Vitamin supplements such as A, D, K is recommended when taking Orlistat. It should not be taken for longer than 6 months, and if no progress is seen in 12 weeks, then stop using the medication and consult your doctor. Okay, now we are going to talk about indication of Orlistat, that where to use Orlistat. First of all, you have to see this body mass index. Here you can see overweight, obese or extremely obese. When we are talking about obese and extremely obese patient, then an adult patient with body mass index more than or equal to 30 kg per meter square must be given 120 mg 3 times in a day with each main meal. And when I am talking about overweight patient whose body mass index is more than or equal to 28 kg per meter square, then in that case we must have to give 60 mg of Orlistat 3 times in a day. Note, as I have already told you that if your meal contain less fat or no fat, then in that case you can just miss that dose of Orlistat at that time. Now I am going to talk about contraindication, that is where we must not use Orlistat. First of all, a patient suffering from chronic malabsorption syndrome must not take this Orlistat. Pregnant women must not take this Orlistat. Lactating women must avoid it. And cholestasis, a patient suffering from cholestasis must avoid this. A special precaution must be taken by the patient who is suffering from liver disease, kidney disease or having a high blood glucose level or a low blood glucose level, and a patient suffering from thyroid disease. In these cases, a patient who is taking Orlistat must have to watch his liver function test, kidney function test, serum glucose level and thyroid function. Now I am going to talk about drug interaction, means when we are taking Orlistat, which medication should be avoided or which medication we can take with this Orlistat. First of all, Orlistat may reduce the absorption of iodine salt and levothyroxine. And along with it, it may also decrease the or reduce the absorption of fat soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, K, and hence the doctor advise you to take externally vitamin A, D, E, K when you are using Orlistat. Orlistat may decrease the serum level of cyclosporin, which is a kind of immunosuppressant drug. Cyclosporin is used when we are having an organ transplant or we are just treating psoriasis or a rheumatoid arthritis. In this case, we used to take cyclosporin, and if cyclosporin is taken along with Orlistat, then cyclosporin will not work properly. And similarly, when we are talking about amiodarone, then when amiodarone is taken along with Orlistat, then amiodarone will not work properly. Amiodarone is antiarrhythmic drug, means it is used to treat the irregular heartbeat. Orlistat may decrease the efficacy of anti-epileptic drugs, example valproate and lamotrigine. And it may also decrease the efficacy of antiretroviral drug, antipsychotic drug, and along with that, additive effect on glycemic control with anti-diabetics. If you are using anti-diabetic and along with that you are using Orlistat, then your blood glucose level may decrease. May enhance anticoagulant effect of warfarin. Lastly, do not take Orlistat along with hormonal contraceptive, as because Orlistat may lead to failure of hormonal contraceptive drugs. Adverse drug reaction or side effect of Orlistat are listed below, that are fecal urgency, flatulence, fatty stool, menstruational irregularity, headache, rectal bleeding, fatigue and severe liver damage. The brand names of Orlistat that are available in our market are listed below. You can just find out the brand that you are using. So lastly, I am going to end my video here, and I am requesting you that if you are medical student, then kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and do not forget to hit like button on my video. So bye bye.